Hello friends, welcome to our channel Press Tool and Die Engineering. Today we will going to talk about advanced press tool interview questions and answers. We won't talk about yourself like your weakness, your strength, your family members, etc. We will only talking about your technical questions and answers. So let's start the tutorial. What is press tool? A press tool is a metal forming machine tool designed to shape or cut metal by applying mechanical forces. Where is uses? Press tools are commonly used in hydraulic, pneumatic, mechanical presses to produce high volumes. Define punch. Punching is a cutting process in which material is removed from a piece of sheet metal by applying a shearing force. Define die. Dies are used to cut or shape material by using a press and customized for the specific item to be created. What is the hardness of die and punch? For cutting 60 to 62 HRC, for bending 58 to 60 HRC. Types of fits in press tool. Punch holder and punches S7 G6 running fit, punch and stipper S7 S6 slide fit, guide pillar and guide bush S7 S6 slide fit, guide bush and top plate S7 J6 push fit, guide plate and bottom plate S7 P6 push fit, dowel and plate S7 M6 transit fit. Fits between guide pillar and guide bush S7 S6. The right side image shown with the ball gauge or without ball gauge pillar. What is the land in press tool? An amount of 3 mm land for stroke thickness up to 3 mm for thicker material is equal to the sheet thickness. This is the land and this is the 3 mm land of 3 mm sheet thickness. What are the functions of pilot? Pilot are used for the purpose of correcting to the proper state the material position before carrying out the press operation. The pilot diameter and the hole should not be same. This is because if they are same, the pilot will pull up the material and piloting it to the correct position. Angular clearance. Generally, soft material require greater angular clearance than hard material. Soft, thicker material above 3 mm require more angular clearance. An angular clearance 1.5 degree per side will meet the user requirement. The right side figure shown the angular clearance in different ways. What is blank tool? When a component is produced with a single punch and die where entire outer profile is cut in a single stroke is called blank tool. What is compound tool? Two or more operations done in one stroke in same station and it can be performed only cutting operation is called compound tool. The right side image shown all components are developed in compound tool. What is combination tool? Two or more operations such as forming, drying, extruding, embossing may be combined on a component. It can perform a cutting or non-cutting operation in a single tool. The right side image shown it is developed in combination tool. What is bending tool? Bending is a process by which metal can be deformed when applying force to the subject. When causes is to bend at any angle and shape, which often result in being V or U shape. What is drying tool? It is a process of changing flat pre-cut metal blank into hollow vessel. It can be transformed flat sheet metal into cups, shells or other drawn shapes. What is progressive tool? Progressive tool perform number of stations simultaneously work on one stroke. A complete part is cut off blank at final station. With each stroke of the press, we are showing the video you can watch. Various types of press operations. There are two types of press operations, cutting operation or non-cutting operations. Blanking. In this cutting, action must be about a complete or enclosed counter blank is used part. Piercing. In these holes are cut on sheet metal and blank is scrap. The figure shown, this is a scrap and this is a working part, and this figure shown, this is a working part and this is a scrap. Lancing. In this operation, three sides cutting and one side bending operation is called lancing. The figure shown, there are three sides are cutting and one side is bending is called lancing. Notching. This is an operation for removing a piece of scrap from the edge. This figure shown, this part is cutting from the edge. Cutting operation. Part of. Cut the material between two components to separate it from parent metal. This is a parent metal and this is a part of scrap and this is a part which we require. Cut off. In this operation, cutting action must be along a line. This figure shown, this metal to be cut along the line and this is the component which we want. Shaving. This operation gives finish cut to the blanks and piercing holes. This is a working part and this is our scrap. We cut the material and finish to the part and create accuracy of this part. Trimming. This operation for cut excess material which is left out on flange of the drawn component. The figure shown, this is a part and this is our excess material. This figure shows this is a material is scrap part. Perforating. In this operation, maximum number of holes are piercing in single stroke. This figure shows there are many holes. We start the video. You can watch. This is a perforated tool. There are many holes done in one stroke. Nibbling. This operation for the cut out the sheet to size with the help of punching. Cropping. This is operation for cutting operation to control the strip of movement. This is the cropping. When we to feed the sheet, it helps to control the movement of the strip. Lowering. In this three sides of forming and one side of cutting operation, the figure is shown. Three sides of bending and one side is cutting is called lowering. Non-cutting operations. Bending. In this operation, bend the sheet at specified angle is called bending. Hemming. This is operation for joint two or more sheets is called hemming. Drawing. It is a process of changing flat into hollow or vessel shape is called drawing. Embossing. This operation created shallow forming at equal thickness is called embossing. Curling. This operation of turn the edge inside is called curling. The figure is shown step by step this part to be curled. What is strip layout? A strip layout represents the sequence of the logical workable operation, which is to say sequence of ideas. This bottom side figure shows a strip layout when we design and when we. Why strip layout is important? Strip layout decides to economic utilization of workpiece and help to decrease the cost of the job. Strip layout calculation. These are calculations of strip layout. Why pressure plate are used? It prevents the hardened punches penetrating into top plate. It is also called punch back plate. The figure is shown. This is a pressure plate and this is a punch. How to find the cutting force? These are formulas. How to find the cutting force? Difference between blank and piercing tool. In blank tool, part clearance added in punch. For example, punch cutting profile size is reduced as per clearance. As opposite direction for piercing tool, part clearance added in die size profile to be increased. This figure shown workpiece or scrap. What is fine blanking tool? Fine blanking is a process that provides parts with smooth edges at high accuracy. This figure shown, this part is developed in fine blanking. There are smooth edges and this part developed in blanking tool. Their edges are not smooth, and this is the operation of blanking. This is the fracture point, and what is the fracture point of fine blanking? You can see this figure. Application of fine blanking part: measuring instruments, airplanes, weapons, agricultural machineries, general machineries, household appliances. How to decide V-ring on thicker material? When material thicker is more than 5 mm, especially tough, and 2 V-rings are required, one of the guide plate and one of the die plate. In this case, resharpening of 4 dies become difficult. This figure shows this is a V-ring, and this is the calculation how we decide what is the V-ring of size. Types of presses according to shape: C frame and H frame. According to table disposition, inclined level or non-inclined level. According to stroke, fixed stroke or variable stroke. According to number of slides, single action or double action. According to type of drive, geared, knuckle joint, non-geared, and friction screw. According to actuation, mechanical, hydraulic, and pneumatic. Thanks for watching. Like, comment, share, and subscribe. I hope this video helped to clear